कंफर्टेबल, वेल सीटेड, मीडिया पर्सन, ये बोलना बहुत जरूरी है दोबारा. फोकस, कैमरा वगैरह सब यहीं रखना. ठीक है. बहुत बड़े बड़े लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं. कलसी साहब, सोनम, मी एंड आमिर तो वी आर स्ट्रगलर्स बेसिकली. जिंदगी भर हम लोग स्ट्रगलर ही रहेंगे. अभिनय साहब इज हियर एंड Ashish Saab, thank you very much, all of you all. Well, I'm very, very proud today to introduce you to the most relentless, passionate, committed people, and to the world of 24 season 2. And I'm really, really proud to be here. I want to thank, of course, the forces behind Colors, the dynamic, visionary Raj Sahab, Raj Nayak, who's standing in front of me, and of course, the multi-talented Manisha Sharma. Is Manisha here? She couldn't make it. I want to thank Manisha. And Raj has been a real, true friend, a friend. And I hope ये हमारी दोस्ती ज़िंदगी भर रहेगी. ये दोस्ती, ये कोलैबोरेशन, और जैसे कि आपने कहा कि ये सीजन्स हम करते रहेंगे, 7 सीजन. Obviously my mom is going to divorce me because जैसे मैं 24 की शूटिंग करता हूँ, please stop this 24. Why are you going so mad यार? My son also tells me यार इतना क्यों इतना मेहनत कर रहे हो, क्यों इतना पागल हो रहे हो आप लोग सब लोग. But that's the way we feel for 24. And of course I want to thank all our backers, Kalsi Saab, Maruti, and Mr. Chin from Hobo. Without their generous support, I wouldn't be standing here. We wouldn't be standing here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Over to you, Raj.
So, Anil, why don't you also invite our guest of honor, Mr. Amir Khan, on stage as well?
So, before I invite him, I just want to say that I don't want to, because, certain friendships, certain relationships, ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि नज़र लग जाती है. But Amir has been a friend, a colleague, a younger brother, sometimes more an elder brother. And, well, what do I say? We all know what Amir is. And not only me, my entire family loves Amir. And we all love Amir. So thank you, Amir, for coming in. I want you to come here on stage. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Raj and Manisha once again. And the entire Colors team. Without their inputs, criticism, balanced with praise, have been really, really valuable. Absolutely valuable. And, 24 wouldn't have been possible. And I mean it from my bottom of my heart. Seriously. I mean it. The kind of contribution the Colors team has given to this show, we've learned so much. And I mean it from, obviously we are all learning from this show. First season, we all were trying to do something which has never been done on Indian television, so we all were learning. The channel was learning, we all were learning, and we all have learned, and we have learned a lot from the channel. And especially Raj, thank you so much. You've been a great, great friend. And I want to thank Manisha is not here, but her contribution is tremendous. I mean it from my bottom of my heart. Seriously, thank you very much. And the entire star cast over here, has been wonderful. The technicians, everyone has worked relentlessly, passionately. I just don't have any words. This show is not about money. I swear on God, I mean it. We all are doing it because we love this show. We love 24.
अनिल जी, नवीन फ्रॉम जूम. मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि स्टंट करने में आपको कितनी चोटें आई एंड बॉडी डबल यूज हुआ कि नहीं, एंड कितनी मुश्किल रही स्टंट के लिए?
इस वक्त तो पूरा मेरा शरीर चोटों से भरा हुआ है. ऑनेस्टली, टू बी ऑनेस्ट विद यू, मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट सिर्फ मेरा ही नहीं, अभिनय और मैं रात शाम को कल फ़ोन पे बात कर रहे थे, तो मैंने पूछा कहाँ था यार, तेरे को फ़ोन लगा रहा हूँ, तू फ़ोन नहीं उठा रहा. बोला मैं फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट पे. बोला डोंट वरी, मैं भी फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट पे ही हूँ. So basically, the entire team has been in, there's been quite a bit of injuries on the set. And matter of fact, Alan Amin, who's doing a wonderful job, I don't know where he is. Alan Saab, fantastic he has been, and of course, Quite a few of his stuntmen also got unfortunately injured during the shooting. But everybody is fine and fit to work relentlessly and with the same kind of passion and dedication, uh, and try to do much more than our capacity and ability. Yeah, चोटें बहुत हैं.
I got two questions. One is that like you as an actor and the producer, how much is that you had evolved with the 24 series?
Well, I think I'm evolving every day, and we're learning every day on this show as a producer and also as an actor. I can't say how much I've involved, but I really, really, it's a learning experience. It's been very, very educative, this whole show which we have done. Yeah, and hopefully in future, this is a format which is an international format. But our dream is, all of us, our dream is to do something which is original. This is an adaptation. So the dream is to make something original which will travel all over the world. That's the dream.
And my second question is that like since it's a home production, so do we get to see Sonam a bit or you know?
She says she wants to play the female Jack Bauer. So either it's me or Sonam. Yeah.
So do we get to see her in next season or something?
Are?
Then obviously she can, but I won't be there.
But then Mr. Kapoor won't be there.
Thank you.
हेलो अनिल जी, दिस इज़ पूजा फ्रॉम टेलीमसाला. सर मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि ये इस सीज़न 2 को लाने में 3 साल लग गए सर. मतलब इतनी कौन कौन सी तैयारी करनी पड़ी आप लोगों को कि इतना वक्त लग गया सीज़न 2 लाने में?
ये सवाल किसके लिए है?
सर आपके लिए.
हाँ जी?
आपके लिए सर.
हाँ, 2 साल, क्योंकि obviously I work in films also. तो अगर मैं हर साल it's a tough thing for me to. So I had committed to 2 films, so I had to complete both the films, Dil Dhadakne Do and Welcome. And it's the kind of scale this show is. We need a lot of prep, and the writing takes time. So that is the reason. But I'm sure in the future the gap will be not so much. Hopefully, yeah.
All right, ma'am. Yes, your question. Yeah.
To be honest with you, no. He obviously, if like Sonam said, she wants to be Jack Bauer. I think with Amir, we'll have to have 2 Jack Bauers. Not, he's not the part of. I would love him to be part of the show, and I'm sure if I request him, he'll never say no to me to grace our show. But 24 is whoever comes to the show has to come very organically. It's not a show which depends. Even if you see me also, or see all the actors and whoever there's been Shabana ji and so many Anupam and all. We play characters in this show. It's not a star-driven show. We are all characters. So if there is a character in the show which is for any it can be anyone. We'll try our best that he or she would be on the show if he or she likes the role. Yeah.
Mr. Anil Kapoor.
Yeah.
I'd like to ask you that how do you keep balance between the TV and films?
It's a tough ride for me because here I am. I remember, obviously, Amir has always been the leader and been an inspiration. And as a friend and as a colleague, in spite of he being younger than me, but sometimes you learn from from youngsters. And I remember when he was doing Satyamay Jayate, and he didn't do anything else. And so I think for both of us, no matter what the format is, when we try to do something. At least I've done. Like I've not done any film since the last 1 year. I've just devoted myself for shooting for 24. So I'm available to all of them for 24. So that's it's a tough ride. So because obviously there are a lot of films which I want to do, which I'm matter of fact, I'm being very honest. There was a very, very exciting international project which came to me, which was they wanted to shoot in July, August, but I had to pass that film. And I'm being very honest with you. So we all are trying to do. I think Abhinay, Renzel, all of us, all the actors, colors, we're trying to do our best where this show is concerned. Yeah. So it's been a tough ride. It's a tough ride. Yeah. Well, you see, I can say something which I will say it again and again. I remember when Mr. India released, and including Dil Chahta and so many other films. And there was a film, I'm not saying anything else. There was so many films which released with both these films. They did much bigger numbers than Mr. India and Dil Chahta. And but the idea is that time, obviously, when that happened during Mr. India, we were slightly, we felt low, and because this is a small film with, and it just became a bigger success, and we took some wrong decisions. But it's not going to happen in the future. No matter what the TRP is, no matter what the GRP is, of 24, the commitment and the passion will be the same.